Good afternoon. My name is Olaoluwa Ojo. I'm a health information management major. Behind me, we have one of our 2 residential halls in which I'm going to be showing you today. Come take a look. While the layouts of both residential halls are nearly identical, Daley houses freshmen and honor students, while Dedmond houses nursing students and upperclassmen. Both residential halls have great amenities for students here. We have a room full of washers and dryers. We have a full kitchen where students can use. We have a computer lab on the 4th floor. What's up, everybody? What's up? Both residence halls have common areas where students can come hang out, study, put a movie in the projector, whatever they want. All the rooms of the dorms are suite style, containing 3 to 4 rooms per suite, with shared common area and shared double bathrooms. What's up, bro? On the edge of campus, we have a mall and a metro hub. We can take you to downtown Baltimore in a matter of 5 minutes. Lucky for us, the dining hall is just steps away from my room. Let's go check it out. Here in the Talent Center, we have different dining options as well as student resource services such as the parking and transportation service. Hi, Miss Sonia, how are you?
I'm great, and yourself?
Awesome. This is the main dining hall on campus, where we have different buffet-style options that change all the time. If you want to do something different, you can come upstairs to the Talent Cafe, and we have a late-night convenience store called the Eagle's Nest. All right, fam. Thank you for letting me show you the residential halls and the dining hall. Come check out my beautiful campus, Coppin State University, where we don't fly, we soar.